Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna see how to print this triangle shaped pattern using Python. So here in this figure you can see indexing starts from 0 and ends at 3. So that means this pattern has 4 rows. Okay, so at 0th row we have some amount of space over here. Okay, and at third row we don't have any space. At second row we have one space. At first row we have two spaces. At zeroth row we have three spaces. So let's see how to code this kind of pattern using Python. Okay, now here I am in Jupyter Notebook. So first let's initialize a variable called row and let's take a input from the user. Okay, row equal to input, enter the number of rows. Okay, so if you just leave it like this, the input will be taken as a string, so we need to typecast it. Okay, so let's convert this into integer int, then put it inside the int function. Okay, now we have taken input from the user. Now let's put a for loop for I in range row. Okay, then print. So before printing star, here you can see there is some amount of space, white space, so we need to print white space first and then we need to print star. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna print white space here. How many times though? Star, this is multiplication. Okay, we need to print, so here it's 3 times white spaces. So I'm just gonna give row. If the user enters 4, so there will be 4 white spaces. So I'm just gonna minus, just to reduce the space, I'm just gonna minus it with I. Okay, now that's done. Now let's print star. So this is star, and here the second star is multiplication. So here at 0th row we need to print 1 star. At first row we need to print 2 stars, so that is I plus 1 times. So here I have already told you that range, if you don't give any initial value, so it will always starts from 0. Okay, so here I value is 0 initially, so we need to print I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1. Okay, coding part is over. If you just print like this, the pattern will be different. It will not be in triangle shape. Let's see why. Okay, I'm gonna give 5. See here, it is printing, there is no space in between these 2 stars and these 3 and these 4 stars. So to get space in between, we need to give space over here. Okay, just give space over there, and then let's run again. 5. There you go. This is how you print triangle shaped pattern using Python. Okay, let me try one more. I'm gonna give 8. Okay, there it is. It has 8 rows and it is in triangle shape. Alright guys, this is how you print a triangle shaped pattern using Python. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and yeah, I hope you learned something new. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care. Bye.